Alright guys, so we are going to go over your questions from Skill 46 IP, and then the rest of today's lesson you are going to do Skill 44 through 46 assessment that is available as a Google form. So yeah, here we go. No one had a question about number 1, so I'm just going to go over number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can skip over and just focus on the problems that you just need help with. Feel free to do that. Alright, so we're going to start with number 2. Solve each of the following logarithm equation. So I see the logarithm excuse me, expression on the left side as well as the right side. So let's go ahead and condense these two together. Notice that's both of them are natural log, so I'm just going to combine as a 1 natural log. X minus 3, that is a positive, that means a positive exponent. So x minus 3 goes on top. That natural log is a negative, that means a negative exponent. So I gotta go as a denominator equal to natural log of 1 minus 2. If this is easy for you to know, you can think of this as a, subtracting and logarithm expression means dividing. So that's another way you can think about it. All right, now both of them are in the natural log. Now what are you going to do? You're going to exponentiate it. Exponentiate with the base e. So I'm going to make it e raised to that equal to e raised to that. So those pink up here becomes the exponent. Why am I doing that? Then you're going to notice that using the property you can kind of cancel that out and have x minus 3 over x plus 1 equal to half. Fraction equal to fraction, your favorite, cross multiply. 2 times x minus 3 equal to 1 times x plus 1. Distributed, 2x minus 6 equal to x plus 1. Subtract x from both sides, x equal to add 6 to both sides, 7. Alright, once you get your answer, make sure you check it. Check, check, check. Very important. How do you do it? Go ahead and take that 7, plug it in. Make sure both your base and arguments are positive when you plug it in. Okay, so I take 7, plug it in. 7 minus 3 is 4. That's a positive argument. 7 plus 1 is positive, so I am good. So I can finally say that's going to be my answer. If it ever yields negative base or negative argument, you discard that answer. And it has to be worked for all single cases, wherever the x is. All right, number 2 done. Number 3, let's see, I have just a 1 logarithm expression. So I need to have a single logarithm. Notice there is that plus 2 that's bothering here. So I need to get rid of it by subtracting 2 from both sides. Then I have natural log of 2x plus 3 is equal to 3. All right, single logarithm. Good. What do? There are 2 ways you can think about it. If you have a single logarithm, you can just go ahead and convert to the exponential form. Convert. How? What is your base for the natural log? E, right, that you don't see because it's natural log. Where's the exponent? Third power equal to 2x plus 3. And then go from there. Or, that's a one way to do it. Or, if you are like someone who just likes to do every problem the same way, remember how we did number 2? We exponentiate with whatever that base was. Same thing. I can exponentiate. So let me write down what I have. This is what I have on the above. I can exponentiate with the base e on both sides and see what happened. Then does this appear? I'm left with 2x plus third power is equal to e to the third power. Notice you get to the same step. So it doesn't really matter what you do. I'm just going to go ahead and from here subtract 3. Subtract 3 and then what? Divided by 2. So that's what I'm going to plug it in my calculator. Okay, so where is it? E to the third power minus 3. And be careful here, guys. If you just divide it by 2 here, you're going to get the wrong answer. Why? Because your calculator thinks it's just the 3 divided by 2. Remember, we are dividing the whole thing by 2. In that case, you need to put the parentheses around it. Oh, then the whole thing disappears. So what I'm going to do here is just e to the third power minus 3 and hit enter and then divided by 2. So I get 8.54. X equal to 8.543. Am I done? No, I need to check it. So take that, plug it in. That's going to be positive, so I am good. So make sure you always check your answer. All right, number 4. Oops. Let's see. I just have a 1 logarithm expression, and it looks like it's pretty clean. So I don't have to get rid of anything. Now I can just go ahead and do it. Remember this problem, guys? I either convert it to the exponential form or exponentiate it. Same, you have 2 options. I personally like to just convert to the exponential form. So base 2 exponent negative 2 equal to argument 3 minus 2x. All right, how do you take care of the negative exponents? Flip it, reciprocalize it. So 1 over 2 squared, which is going to be 1/4, equal to 3 minus 2x. I bet a lot of you are going to make mistake over there because it involves with a fraction. Be careful. Subtract 3 first. So I have 1/4 minus 3. I need the common denominator. I mean, I guess you could have used calculator, but I don't like calculator. Haha. Over 4, so I have negative 11 over 4 equal to negative 2x. And then I'm just going to divide it by negative 1/2, divided by, well, multiply by, negative 1/2. Negative times negative is positive. I get x equal to 11 over 8, which is approximately 1.375. Well, it's not approximate, it is. Let's make sure I still get the positive answer when I plug it in. So I do 3 minus 2 times 1.375. That's still positive, so I'm okay. So that is my answer. Okay. All right, number 5, solve it. Combine these together. So x plus 2 over x minus 1. Notice I am dividing it because it's subtraction, equal to natural log of 2/3. Same, both natural log, so I exponentiate using the base e. X plus 2 over x minus 1 is equal to 2/3. Cross multiply, because that's your favorite thing. 3x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 2. X is equal to negative 8. That's what I got. However, direction says, why is there no solution? I don't know. Well, you should probably know. Why? Because when I plug it in, negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So I get a natural log of negative 6, which, is that possible? No, I cannot have negative number in the argument. So because of that, there is no solution. You see the theme of all this IP? You always need to check your solution by plugging it in. So make sure to do that for the review assessment, Okay, so that is it for this. Good luck doing it. And then the end of your assessment, Mr. Bayer and we are asking you how you guys are doing. Make sure you actually just really give us update, because that's going to be the best part of this whole assessment, is to hear how you guys are doing, because we miss you guys. Okay, so good luck to you, and until the next time, bye bye.